Today we're going to Coney Island and we're going to go on the new challenge maze that they have at Coney Island in the pool. It's supposedly the largest floating obstacle course in the world. It's supposedly got 150 or so different obstacles that you get to go over, and we're going to try to GoPro it and go on the whole thing and then review it. All right, here we go.
We're switching to the GoPro because we're planning to get wet. Let's go.
Are you excited? Are you gonna go on it? Look at this slide in the back. There's a tunnel, there's a double slide, depending on which side you go on, I think. All right, here's the life jackets. Oh, here they go down the slide. Nice. Yeah, we're gonna try to hook up the GoPro to one of these life jackets and see if they'll let him go on it. I gotta go get the clip for the GoPro. Oh, there's the sign. Challenge zone. I don't know if that's 150 obstacles. Quite the line. Line comes all the way back here. I wonder how long that's going to be. Well, here's the instructions. Minimum of 48 inches tall and a maximum of 84 inches tall. Quick math, he's got to be 4 foot tall. Do you think he's still tall enough? What's 84 inches?
Dad, I want to do it!
I know, we're getting there.
Yo, I want to go on that.
Yeah, I guess I can go. Yeah, I guess I can go on it too. Here's the line. Two options, 2 lanes. I think the right looks a little more treacherous, or for bigger kids maybe. I'm gonna try to convince Ben to go on the right side. He likes monkey bars, so he'll probably like it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Maybe I should go under.
2 hours later.
So that didn't work as planned. That didn't work as planned, did it?
Yeah.
So he got about halfway through and then it was on the bottom of the pool. So we're gonna see what that footage is like and edit probably a lot of it out because you were probably at the bottom of the pool for about 15 minutes. All right, tell me exactly what you think of the challenge course and if it was cool.
I think it was awesome.
What about, were you a little nervous when you dropped the GoPro? Did you think we'd never get it back?
Maybe. I stopped and I was like, should I get it? Should I not?
Yeah, you couldn't swim down because you had a life jacket on. I think that's probably the point. So a thumb up, a thumb down, a thumb medium. What is it? For the challenge course. You, double thumb, you tried to trick me. Oh! All right, also new this year at Coney Island is Action Alley. We have no idea what that is, so let's check that out. I think, oh, they got a giant trampoline.
They got a balcony.
Oh, and a game too. So this is cool. Oh, look, Mehmet, look. Remember the Plinko game you used to be able to win prizes at? You can play it for free now.
So I can play it?
Yeah, but you can play it, but I don't think you can win anything. Oh, one is stuck. And they got all these mirrors. I don't remember where these mirrors were. Oh, okay. Let's see what I look like. Let's see what I look like in this one. Oh, I look weird. What do you look like in there? Oh, you guys are like one person. I don't know what this thing is. It's not working right now, whatever it is. And we have, this section used to be what the little houses are. We've done a video on Coney Island in the past. There's like little houses in here before. We've taken those out. So now it's a lot of picnic benches. I have no idea what they're trying to do in here. There's a ball in here. I don't know what that would even be for. Then we got this cool Connect 4 game. Oh, and then there's another game over here. Well, look, there's 2 games over here. I don't know what that one is. Like touching pods, maybe? You guys have any idea how to play this?
Yeah, like, so you press the green button and like one team's green and you gotta see how this.
Oh, it turns red, yeah.
Yeah, the green team got to press the green one, and the red one, and the red team got to press the red line.
So whoever gets the most wins?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Who's winning, red or green? Red won? Thanks. Oh, this is Connect 4 basketball, I guess. We got some hoopers. And men's giving it a shot. I think this thing's rigged. Nah, you got it. Nice, you got one.
You're terrible.
Oh! And then probably the coolest part is the giant jump pad. Just leaking a little bit right there. That looks pretty cool. So this is all new for 2021 at Coney Island. This used to be the little, where the little houses village was. It's pretty cool, little jump pad. And not, you know, there's no line or anything to get over here. You just walk right over. As a matter of fact, yeah, I guess you do have to actually get into the park and pay to get into the park to use it. This used to be a section where you didn't even need to pay to get in. You could just walk right over to. So, all right, that's that. Ben, would you say that was a successful Coney trip? Yeah. We got all the new stuff, and we almost lost the GoPro, but we got it, and I know we got it because we're filming with the GoPro right now. So, what do you say? All right, see ya.